Think you can create a home office for under $100? How about a dorm room? Or a kids' play area? Well, you can, with a little help from the Fairfax County Surplus Program.
Every Fairfax County department gets rid of stuff as part of an ongoing replacement cycle. What happens with that product when it's no longer needed is the county goes ahead and squeezes every bit of residual value out of it as we can. We put it up on an auction website. We operate like a business. So our goal is to make money from the items that Fairfax County no longer needs, with the intent that that money goes back to the county and supports our programs for Fairfax County residents.
With a government as large and diversified as Fairfax County's, the Surplus Program offers an array of products that the public can bid on.
We have everything from surplus gym equipment that's coming from our rec centers, surplus office furniture, all the way to Crown Victorias that are no longer needed from the police department.
Power tools, old chairs, PDAs.
We try and make money off of it. We try and recycle it where we can. We try and avoid the trash at all costs.
Water, we've sold water in a can.
Revenue collected from the Surplus Program is reinvested in the county. It's responsible fiscal recycling.
Last year we made $3 million off of the Surplus Program, and it goes right back into the general fund to support programs, and it's allocated as part of the budget process.
But the biggest draw are the huge savings the Fairfax County Surplus Program offers on some of the essentials.
What can you do with Fairfax County Surplus? Well, you can do a lot of different things with it. You could outfit a home office with it pretty easily. We have a tremendous amount of desks, chairs, and things of that nature, all at really low cost. So we think you could do it for well under $100 through our program. There's also a great opportunity to create a home gym. We have a variety of gym equipment for a pretty cheap price. And one of the great things coming up is to outfit a rising college student's dorm room for next to nothing, and the equipment will be well tested within Fairfax County government. It'll last through that freshman year.
Everything on offer by the Surplus Program is available exclusively through its easy-to-use live auction website. Just register and start saving.
Once you go on the website, you'll see the pictures of what you want. You'll see the dimensions. Then from there, you just bid. And it'll be an open auction for about 7 days. And once you win, you'll pay for your item online in 5 days to pay, 5 days to come pick it up.
The Surplus Program not only recycles taxpayer dollars, but it also plays a role in making a greener, more environmentally responsible Fairfax County.
We've integrated the environmental goals of the county within the program. So the residents see a lot of the items that are up for sale, but before things ever get there, we're doing a tremendous amount of recycling and reuse work that adds to the county's environmental performance. The amount of stuff that we keep out of the dumpster and we turn into revenue is quite impressive.
Though the most common county surplus items on auction are office chairs, tables, and file cabinets, electronics, vehicles, and other specialized equipment becomes available from time to time.
A gentleman was actually on the Fairfax County public surplus site, and he found an ambulance. He was working with a local school, and they've trained EMS training. So we donated the ambulance to him, and he's using it for the training of the students. And from what I understand, a lot of the students go on to become Fairfax County firefighters.
So create your home office for less than $100 and support the responsible stewardship of Fairfax County resources. Visit the Department of Purchasing and Supply Management webpage at www.fairfaxcounty.gov. Then click on Fairfax County Auctions to register for the best deals in the county on office furniture, electronics, gym equipment, vehicles, and much more.
We encourage everyone to take a look at the website, and I think you'll be surprised by what you might find.